So we're going to talk about why Facebook is paying you to create posts, how you can get started as well, and how much money you can realistically get from the Facebook Performance Bonus Program. We'll cover everything in this video, so let's just dive in. So you might already be creating good content on Facebook regularly, but you're not getting paid for it. What's even more frustrating is hearing about other content creators who are getting money from Facebook with payments going straight to their bank accounts every month, and you're left wondering why you are not getting paid. Maybe someone told you that Facebook isn't paying you for content creation anymore, but that's not true at all. A lot of people are getting money through this, but it's changed, So let me just show you something. I'm going to talk about the Facebook Reels Play Bonus Program. You might have heard of it. Facebook created this program to pay people for making Facebook Reels. The more engagement your Reels got, the more money you could earn, with some creators making over $30,000 a month. That's huge. But of course, there is a catch. From March 2023, they stopped extending new and renewed Reels Play deals for creators on Instagram and Facebook globally. So this has been stopped. That's a waste because it was really good. You could get paid if you get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. So what Facebook essentially did, they just basically thanked everyone for participating but decided to end the payments for creating Reels. And you can imagine the reaction, right? Many content creators were upset, thinking like, yeah, wait a minute, I was earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month and now you're taking that away from me? Well, then Facebook responded by saying, don't worry, we've got something even better. So they introduced in-stream ads, and maybe you've heard about this one as well. And this, instead of just paying for engagement on Reels, Facebook decided to pay creators for all the video content they make across the platform. And there are a lot of great things about this in-stream ads program, but some content creators responded by saying, okay, in-stream ads are nice and I'm making some money, but I was earning a lot more with the Reels Play Bonus Program. That's what I want. And I don't believe it, but Facebook listened to its users and said, okay, you like making more money with the old program? Well, we're going to introduce something even better. That's how this came to life. Performance Bonus Program. Now, this new program, which we'll discuss in a moment, lets you earn money for all your content, not just videos, right? With in-stream ads, you could already get paid for video content, but now you can get paid for every post you create. Yeah, that's really cool, even if you just put a picture there, even if you just get a Facebook page, or even if you just write something, right? You just need engagement on it. But yeah, you might ask yourself, why would Facebook do this? Why would they give out all this money for all the posts that we create? Well, let me show you something. This is an article that I found, but it was in fact a post from Mark Zuckerberg on his profile on Facebook, and they call it Discovery Engine. As you can see, the push, which Zuckerberg calls building the Discovery Engine. And basically what this means is that you get a lot of Reels on your feed which are from people who you do not follow, right? He explains that Reels are a key part of Facebook's Discovery Engine, which is how people find and engage with content. With over 200 billion Reel plays per day, it's clear that Facebook users love Reels, right? And it is on Instagram as well, because if you just scroll through Instagram, you will get a lot of Reels from people that you do not follow, right? That's how they discover content for you. The AI is doing that, and that's how they just keep more people just on the platform. That's just how they earn money. But this raises a question, right? What about the regular Facebook newsfeed and some other types of Facebook posts? If people start ignoring that content, it could be a problem because most Facebook ads are shown in the newsfeed, right? Well, to keep users engaged there, Facebook needs content creators like you and me to keep producing good content for the newsfeed. That's really how the Facebook program, this performance bonus program, came to be. Let me just show you something because this is really important. Let's just scroll down a bit. So here it says, the performance bonus program is an invitation-only program. I'll show you how to get invited later. That gives creators the opportunity to earn money on interactions on their public Facebook posts, excluding Reels and Stories. Well, why is it excluding Reels? Because Reels are already covered in the in-stream ads. So again, this is giving you a chance to monetize all your other content, right? Except Reels, which are covered by the in-stream ads program. There is one other neat thing that I want to show you when it comes to this type of content. Check this out. Cross-posted content from Instagram in eligible post formats as detailed above. So bonus payouts will be based on this. So you can cross-post. This is a big thing. You don't have to make a separate content for Instagram and separate content for Facebook. You can combine all of those. For example, if you post something on Instagram, you can get the same amount of money on Facebook for the same video, let's say, or the same picture, whatever. So how do you get inside of this Facebook performance bonus program? There are a couple of requirements. First off, if you want to get this one, you should have your Facebook account monetized. You should just turn on your professional mode on Facebook, and you can just do this from your profile on Facebook, and then you have to live in a country where Facebook monetization is available. You can check this on Facebook on Meta's page. As you can see, there are numerous countries which are available, not all over the world, but it is still like huge. Now, what is really important here is this limited originality thing. So you shouldn't have your page or profile flagged for limited originality. Now, as you can see, if your page profile has been flagged for posting content with limited originality, you may not be able to earn money using our monetization tools or be ineligible to onboard to new monetization tools during the enforcement period. Now, what this means is that you have the option for limited originality, right? It doesn't have to be totally your made content. You don't have to record all of your content. But what do you have to do? Well, you have to make meaningful enhancements, all right? You can use content you are approved to use from other sources as long as you increase its value through creative editing, voiceover, or commentary, right? There's a lot of people who are just doing commentaries, or they just put their face over on top of some other video, whatever, and they don't even talk, right? They just put a reaction there. There's just a little face at the corner, and it's already a good thing for keeping this inside of this limited originality thing. But as they say, the best thing you can do for yourself is to regularly post content that you produce yourself or with dedicated partners, right? So that's the most important part, because they can just flag your account and all of your work is going to be wasted. Now, how to apply? There is this one. You just head over to Facebook and bonuses here. And there is going to be one thing that you got to do in order to be invited. So here it is. We've talked about this one, create original content, and this is the most important one, post consistently. The more consistently you publish content, the more chances there are for engagement with that content, right? So aim for at least several posts per day. And then by just focusing on reach, that is just focusing on your niche or whatever, you should just stay tuned for spontaneous challenges that are sent to you via email or in-app notifications. Each challenge will have a unique set of criteria that creators are required to meet in order to unlock a surprise reward and increase your earnings. You can send the email to the people. There's going to be a button here probably which will just tell you to express interest in order to apply to this program. But usually you will get invited if you just get a lot of reach there. So first of all, you have to invest a lot of time. And I'm not telling you like this is going to be in a month or 2 or maybe even 4 or 5 months. You could spend 8 to 10 months creating content, getting the reach, getting views, just getting a lot of reach out there before someone from Facebook invites you. And of course, it can happen never, right? So this is a bit of a risky business. And if you don't have time to dedicate yourself totally for the next 6 to 8 months creating content on a regular basis, for example, 1 post per day at least, don't do it. Because yeah, it can essentially waste your time if you're not dedicated, if you like give up at the end of your second month or something like that, right? So it can change. It can be like a different story like 6 months from now. But now, at this very moment, I don't know when are you going to watch this video, but now at this moment when I'm just creating this video for you, it is only an invite-only program, right? And people who were before us here, they've got more chances, like, to be invited. So yeah, that's it. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.